all, I'm Dr. Tolika Chauhan, Senior Consultant, Cornea Refractive Services, Center for Sight. So, a lot of patients comes to me and they always ask me, Doctor, I cannot explain my symptoms. Doctor, why I'm feeling so discomfort? Why I cannot sit in front of computer for a long time? So now we know that we have multiple meibomian glands which are contributing to our tears. So why it is very important? Because the liquid part which is made by meibomian gland is the oil part of the tears, which help your tears to spread on the eye and it will not let your tears to evaporate. That means your tears will stay for the longer time. But when we are using computers and we are looking in the screen for a long time, we stop blinking. If you make a video of yourself and you'll see that how many times you're blinking, then almost by 1/10 your blinking will decrease. If you blink, you should blink around 15 to 20 times in a minute. But when you're sitting in front of computer, it's a pixelated screen, your brain wants to focus and it will not let you blink. You blink almost 3 to 4 times in a minute, which is very unhealthy. And you'll ask me that why blinking is so important? Because when we blink, we spread and make new tears. So we need a good layer of tear in front of your eye. It is helping us to have a clear vision. It's the first lens of the eye through which the light passes. And if these tears are damaged, then it will affect your vision. So when these glands are blocked, what we can do? First of all, we have to slow down these blockages and we have to open the pre-existing blockages. So if you are diagnosed with meibomian gland related dry eye, there are many ways to help you. Very important procedure which shows us very good result called intense pulse light therapy. Before that, we do your ocular surface analysis, which is called OSA, right? So you should get it done yourself. If you're a computer user for a long time, you can just get your OSA done every 6 months and see the status of your meibomian glands and the quality of tears and how fast they're evaporating from the surface. The OSA will give you that idea. So if your OSA is normal, by doing normal exercises, taking small breaks, you can help yourself, right? So the radiation damage will slow down. But if your OSA shows the severe damage, meibomianitis, the glands are blocked, then we have to take an action. That intervention is required by the doctor. So the next thing is IPL. IPL, as I told you, it is intense pulse light therapy. This is a treatment which we give to the patient whose meibomian glands are blocked. It will just a 40 minutes treatment, and then we give 3 sittings. They can be 2 weeks apart or a month apart depending upon the severity of the gland blockage. So what they do, usually they open and dilate the openings of meibomian gland. So the pent-up secretion has a space to come out. And when the pent-up secretion will come out, the new secretion is developed, built up. So that all the dirty secretions are out and the new fresh secretions are made in the glands. And that is how IPL helps. But one sitting of IPL will not help. It depends and it is titrated as per patient that how many sittings patient need. But mostly 3 sittings are enough, which are 2 weeks apart or a month apart. So guys, you will ask me that is IPL the only therapy for me? No. We will do your OSA or any of the scans and the dry eye workup in our clinic and see that how severe is the problem. So many times the home remedies will help and some few eye drops along with the eye cleaning will help you. So many people ask me, will IPL be the only treatment for me? I will say no. We have to customize the treatment as per the severity. So when we do the dry eye workup for you, we'll see that what's the status of dry eye. We can do home remedies for you. For example, we can use artificial tears for you. We can teach you how to do the eye hygiene. You can do the eye massage at home. Warm compresses will always help. So that way we can do the conservative treatment as well. So, but this process should slow down. The blocking of gland, if they are permanent, we can never open those glands. So if they are temporary, we can always open. So don't shy away from the treatment. Don't shy away from going to the doctor. You should meet an expert and assess what is the state of dry eye you have right now. The stage of the dry eye is very important, and depending upon the stage, we decide the treatment for the dry eye. So it's important to meet an expert if you're facing any difficulty like the stress and strain in the eye, the foreign body sensation, the eyes are always red, and you are not able to face a digital device for more than few hours. Thank you very much.
Follow Planet LASIK and post your queries to get answers from the experts.